After you watch the video, please subscribe to our channel for more action-packed content. And a thumbs up with a hit to that like button is really appreciated. Thank you.
You can't stand there. You got you got your driver license. Okay, what's wrong with your driver license? Okay, why you got the seatbelt? Why you got the seatbelt on? Okay. I understand, man. No big deal. What's your name, man? Spell that. S-T-E-F-O-N. Okay, what's that first? I understand, but we gotta handle this first. I understand. I gotta run it and get you right back on the road. Okay. We'll work on that. All right. What's that first? 588. So you got a warrant. Just tell me the truth.
I don't know. I'm from Gary, but I'm staying to Scotland. I'm down up in the Passion. I have bad Passion. I have bad heart attack.
Okay, so right now. Okay, well, let me run this right back. Okay. I'm gonna speed it up. Okay. I understand that. Okay. I'll be right back. All right. Don't leave. Where you from? It's Lake Chapter County. He threw something right over there. I seen him take out his pocket. Throw it. shit. Look at that damn turnaround. And he slammed the brakes in there. I was like, shit. I guess I'm gonna just put mine in this. Just shut up. Just shut up like that. You ain't going there tonight. You ain't getting nothing, dog. You ain't getting nothing. Yeah, we'll talk in a minute. We'll talk in a minute. We're not right now. We ain't got nothing to say. I ain't got nothing to say. I ain't got nothing to say. Shut up. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, man? He jumps up. He can't find him. Right down in front of his door. Right down in front of his door. Dispatch. Let's go forward. Let's go. Where they at? We started at 42. Pulling up, driving in the left lane. They went by having a heart attack. She called him. And I said, well, why don't you call the ambulance? The ambulance. He's like, man, I don't know what I got. I don't want to go to jail. I don't want to go to jail tonight. Just give me a break. I'm running this dang on. Stuff through dispatch. The warrants. They got like 4 different warrants. Hell, he took off. I don't know. He was standing. Come around right there. He was standing right there. And I see him going to do that. And do that. They couldn't jump this far. When they were in his pocket, he just said that. He didn't jump out of underhanded. Environmental friendly meat. It's Tosca. Actually, that's one. That's good enough for me to see him. Right here. Right here. He's standing right here. And he turned. Yeah. Yeah, he just turned. Like he did the underhand. Like, you know, just. Every time I got ready to pit him, it would brake check me and slide up beside me. I jammed the brakes. I said shit. I didn't know if I was gonna be able to make it. It took my grind. I went sideways. And I was like, what? It's time to ride. It's time to ride. I'm gonna go hold on. Let the car do what it's supposed to do. We went across. Kept going. I was gonna pin him on the left side. And then he brake checked me. Then I got to go to the right side. Damn sure did. Then right here. I forgot all about the turn around. They got that him in there, but it went all it wanted. He didn't know how to drive on. Yeah, I think that might have been that pack, y'all. That's what it was. Probably was. That's the only thing. Because everything else was stood out. Because he ain't chucking far. Hey! I knew he was going to make that turn. When he slammed on the brakes, I said, dang. That's the dang gonna turn around. And I was like, oh. Smiley truck it. I said that TV out right there. They slammed. And then he just turned. And I was like, shit.
Negative, I can roll.
Work it at the craft. It was brake checking like I don't know what. I just didn't want to just ram into it. Yeah. Stick up, buddy.